Hello, my name is Dolores McAndrew, and today I'm going to be discussing M-Learning, which can also be considered school supplies for today's students. What is M-Learning, you may ask? M-Learning is just a fancy term for the word mobile learning. According to Terry Hike of Teacher Thought, mobile learning is learning based on mobility, often through mobile devices like smartphones, iPads, other tablets, and wearable technology. With the mobility of learning, we can provide our students the flexibility to learn and work anytime and any place. Our school district can initiate M-Learning by either providing each student with technology, such as tablets or laptops, or we can allow students to bring their own devices. While both programs have advantages and disadvantages, today I'm proposing a one-to-one initiative. There are many benefits to a one-to-one program. First, when the school provides the technology, we have more control over its use. One example of this is Apple Classroom. It is an app that allows the teacher to view screens, load pages or apps onto iPads, and even lock a student iPad. Next, equitable access to technology ensures that all students are able to equally access information and resources in and out of the classroom. If a student does not have access to the internet, there are devices a student can borrow from the school so he or she can access the internet at home. Another advantage is that with access to the internet, we do not have to constantly worry about outdated books. There is always up-to-date information on the internet. When every student has access to technology, they have access to the world. From online simulations to virtual field trips, the students can explore, discover, and retrieve information without leaving the classroom or their home. Teachers are also able to access resources to help track student progress, differentiate instruction, and provide resources to meet the needs of all learners. While initial cost can be an issue, the cost of devices has been decreasing. As you can see from this image from USA Today, iPad costs are getting cheaper, while the quality of technology is getting better. Another challenge with any type of technology utilized by students is inappropriate content they may find. If we provide the devices, we can install monitoring programs that flag keywords that may indicate cyberbullying, suicidal posts on social media, and flag and/or block other inappropriate content. Also, since students will have access to technology both in and out of school, whether or not we provide it, it's important that we teach them digital citizenship. In an article from Education Week, John Kavanagh discusses that the diversity of learners is growing. Technology can help us meet those various needs because of the vast amount of resources available. As you will see in the following video from Edutopia, Mary Beth Hertz discusses the importance of integrating technology within the classroom.
Students today are creating using digital tools. They're not creating using analog tools. For us to feel like we really are connecting with our kids and to make learning fun for our kids and meaningful, we need to meet them where they are.
In conclusion, a one-to-one initiative can greatly enhance the education we provide to our students by supplying up-to-date materials, helping teachers differentiate instruction, including tracking student progress for personalized learning, engaging students, leveling the playing field and giving all students similar technological opportunities, and helping prepare students for the real world.